How to remove you may like suggestion on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you have the updated version of your TikTok. So for that, head over to your app store and then search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, simply hit enter and there update the app to the latest version. After you've done that, you can then open up the app and now head over to the bottom right corner. Head over to your search bar on the top right corner. After you're there, what you can then do is you will see this option where it says you may like, and it gives you a lot of different options or search suggestions. So here what first you'll need to do is clear up your search suggestions first. Tap on the cross icon that I just did right now, and now what you can do is you can actually simply type in something here. So let's say I type in a letter here and it should give me these many options. Now if you're not interested in a certain one, what you can do is you can simply long press on it and tap on not interested, and that will remove that very suggestions and will start showing fewer such suggestions. So let me do that again, and now again it should go away and will show a fewer suggestions such as that. So that's how you do it. Now under this you may like section, also what you can do is you can tap on the refresh button to refresh your you can refresh your suggestions as well. So tap on this refresh. You can even long press on some of them to remove them as well if your app is updated. And that is basically how you can remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.